Hello and welcome to Dhey IS. Today we will discuss a recent report by Moody's Investor Service. Concern were raised about centralized biometric system like India's Aadhaar. The report advocated for decentralized digital identity system as an alternative. In response, the Indian government strongly defended Aadhaar, highlighting its trueworthiness and stating that it has been used successfully in various programs. First, let's understand Aadhaar and its implications. Aadhaar is a 12-digit identification number used by the Indian government, providing proof of identity and address for residents, unique and valid for a lifetime. DBT, initiated in 2013, aims to simplify fund distribution, reduce fraud, and enhance the government's delivery system using Aadhaar. Administered by UIDAI, Aadhaar combats corruption in assessing welfare programs and provides unique IDs to residents. Aadhaar helps eliminate ghost beneficiaries who fraudulently assess benefits. Cost savings are achieved by reducing duplicate or fraudulent claims through Aadhaar. Aadhaar enables cash transfer, including MNREGA payments, using biometric authentication. Despite its success, Aadhaar faces challenges too. One major concern is quantity fraud in distribution of rations, where beneficiaries often receive less than their entitled share. For instance, a ration card holder may be entitled to 35 kg of rice, but the dealer only provides 30. Many individuals faces authentication failure due to unreliable internet connections, fading fingerprints, or lack of phone connectivity for OTP verification. Surprisingly, the strength of these failures remain undisclosed. Another issue is authentication errors caused by discrepancies between job card information and UID data. These errors result in waste, payment delays, and complications for the workers. Misdirected payment through Aadhaar pose a significant challenge. For example, with Aadhaar payment, people got redirected to Airtel wallet, causing much havoc. Security concerns arise as Aadhaar-based banking transactions lack accountability, allowing banking correspondents to request multiple biometric authentication and potentially access individuals' bank account. In 2020, a 10 crore rupees scholarship scam in Jharkhand exposed how Aadhaar-enabled payment system or AEPS misuse allowed money withdrawal and unauthorized enrollment in government insurance programs, underscoring the critical security issues with Aadhaar-based transactions. Even there is a current impasse due to government's push for Aadhaar. The government's push to mandate Aadhaar-based payment in MNREGA has failed, resistant due to issues like the deletion of active workers' job card and delusions of accountability. Critics express concerns about the government's intention regarding linking voter IDs with Aadhaar. Now moving towards solutions. Suggestions include improving biometric technology, especially in hot and humid climatic conditions, restricting mandatory Aadhaar usage by providing alternatives, and ensuring informed consent. UIDAI should simply process and comprehensive review of payment system is essential. RBI and NPCI should monitor payment issues and strengthen safeguards. The Aadhaar Act could be amended to reinstate independent oversight by a high-powered committee. In conclusion, Aadhaar has brought transparency and efficiency, but addressing challenge is crucial to safeguard citizens' rights and privacy. Thanks all for today. Thanks for joining us.